Every day we encounter risk in our jobs. Now, I'm not meaning necessarily a physical risk, but we have a mental risk and we have an organisational risk when we go to work. Things like what happens if you can't do something? What happens when someone leaves who knows how to do everything? What are the things that you do? It's often one of those things that we don't think about until it actually happens, particularly if we rely on someone else in our organisation to do something because they've always been the one to do it. One of the best ways to minimise risk in an organisation is to actually take the time to sit down and talk to each other, to talk to your colleagues, your team members, find out what they're doing and how they're doing it. I guess if we go back to the old HR days, it's a bit like cross-training. You're not trying to put anybody out of a job and you're not trying to make people do things that they don't want to do. What you are doing is trying to broaden the knowledge base so that more people know about the things you do in your organisation or team. By doing that, what you're doing is managing risks so that if somebody leaves, you're not ending up with a huge gaping hole in your business that can not only cost you time, but can be very stressful and frustrating. So what are you doing today to help manage or reduce the risk in your workplace?